Want to add a home screen shortcut to a website you visit frequently? We are here to help. I'm Jessica, and in this video, I'll show you how to add a website shortcut to your home screen on iPhone. Now let's get started. To add a website shortcut to your iPhone home screen, open Safari and go to the website you want to add a shortcut to. Now tap the three dots at the bottom right corner. Tap Share. Scroll down and select Add to Home Screen. Here you can edit the name you would like to appear underneath the shortcut icon. You can also choose if you want this page to open as a web app or not. If you leave this option enabled, the page will open in its own dedicated browser rather than opening in Safari. If you'd like it to open in your default browser, turn this switch off. When you're done, tap Add to put it on your home screen. The shortcut will then be added to your home screen on the last page. You can then hold down the icon and select Edit Home Screen to enable editing mode. Now you can move the icon around to place it wherever you'd like it on your home screen. Tap Done to save your changes. Tapping this icon will take you directly to the website you've bookmarked. That's all it takes to add a website shortcut to your iPhone's home screen. Want to learn how to make your app icons clear? Check out this tutorial next. Click the video on your screen now to watch. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the like button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every day.